Hey Hornets, I'm Domenic Buccirosso.
And I'm Jackson Stahl. On today's show, Braden Marion gets mic'd up, Keira Roehm celebrates a 1,000-point milestone, and a debate breaks out in the studio.
All of this and more on this episode of Hornet Nation. Swimmers from around the Southeastern Conference gather in Saline's pool for the 2025 SEC Red Invitational. Saline faces their crosstown rivals, Pioneer, as they look to avenge their only loss of the season. The meeting is this Friday and Saturday starting at noon. Show out and show up to support our Hornet swimmers. Rolling away from swim and dive, Camobello takes us to the Monroe Sports Center, where he gets an inside view with Braden Marion in this edition of Mic'd Up.
Hello Hornets, today we meet varsity bowler Braden Marion, who in his recent match against Monroe averaged a 156. Today we learn about his bowling journey and more in this edition of Mic'd Up.
He doesn't sit, so we always have this.
This is Braden's fourth year bowling for Saline, where he has made many close friends and amazing memories.
Come on, ball! Hey! Yeah!
One of those memories is earning an 8th place finish in the 2024 individual regionals.
Every time! I'm cursed! I'm cursed!
Braden has been bowling two-handed since he was 9 years old. This lets him have more control over how much the ball can spin, and that could be the difference between a gutter
Damn, now we know what happens.
and a strike.
Oh, get up, ball. Hey, we got it! No tension.
Reporting for Hornet Nation, I'm Camobello. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Cam. The bowling teams competed this past weekend in team regionals, where the boys finished 10th and the girls finished 8th out of 12. Their season is now complete. The spring season sign-up deadline is coming up soon if you haven't signed up for your sport. Scan the QR code to fill out the form before March 10th. As a reminder, you must also electronically submit a physical dated after April 15th, 2024. So don't delay.
Keira Roehm, a junior guard for the girls basketball team, hit a massive milestone this year. Today, Ray Jenkins interviews the all-time leading three-point shooter about her overall career.
Hello, Hornets. I'm Ray Jenkins, reporting for Hornet Nation. It's always exciting when one of our athletes hits a major milestone in their career. With Keira Roehm scoring her 1,000th point playing varsity basketball, we wanted to get an inside look into her time on the team and how it led to this moment.
They mean everything to me. I mean, I get to play with my best friends all the time and with the people that I love, so they definitely mean a lot to me. During season, we have practice after school every day on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. When it's just me, like in the off season, I usually lift about twice a week, and then I come in and shoot and run like 3 to 4 times probably. Winning districts my freshman year with that team, and then last year when we beat Wayne in the district semis, those 2 games definitely are probably my favorites.
Roehm has been playing basketball for almost her whole life, and she's had a lot of people helping her through her time playing.
I started playing when I was like 5 years old. My mom and my grandpa both played basketball growing up, and my grandpa coached my mom, and so both of them for sure.
On Tuesday, February 18th, Roehm scored her 1,000th point in her high school basketball career.
I had hope and I had confidence in myself coming in. I didn't necessarily think I would do it in my junior year, but I thought I had the ability to. I just felt so lucky, and I still feel so lucky. Before, there was like some anticipation because I really wanted to get it at home and not away. But once I definitely got it, it was definitely a relief.
Roehm has also committed to continue playing basketball at Wayne State University after graduating.
The coaches are so amazing, and they made it feel like home, and they just made me feel wanted, and so I just knew that was the place for me.
With such a prosperous and successful career in high school, Roehm has nowhere to go but up in her future, and we hope you all cheer her on through her time playing. I'm Ray Jenkins, reporting for Hornet Nation. Back to you in the studio.
Congrats, Keira. 1,000 points is a huge milestone. The girls team wraps up the regular season tomorrow night at Novi High School. The game starts at 7 p.m.
Saline's up-and-coming gymnastics team took home their first win of the season against Coldwater High School earlier this month. The team, led by freshman Amelia Lorch, outperformed the competition on the vault and uneven bars. Sophomore Liliana Schillings took charge on the balance beam, while freshman Kaylee Smith dominated on the floor. The final score was 123 to 107. Congrats to our gymnastics team.
In our new segment today, Aiden Burton takes us around the school asking for people's sports opinions. Let's take a look at what our fellow Hornets have to say in this edition of Controversial Calls.
Hello Hornets, I'm Aiden Burton, and welcome to a brand new segment here on Hornet Nation. We're calling it Controversial Calls. I'm going to be going around and asking people controversial sports questions. The one for this segment is, who's the greatest basketball player of all time? Michael Jordan or LeBron? Let's find out.
I gotta go LeBron.
LeBron.
Give me LeBron! Boom, 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 boom!
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan, hands down.
From North Carolina, Michael Jordan. MJ's to go. Let's go.
I think it's pretty clear why Michael Jordan's a go. He's 6-0 in finals. Okay?
Okay.
When you think about it, LeBron is an imitator. MJ is an originator.
Arguably, Bulls are one of the greatest teams of all time, at least in '96.
Yes.
Yeah. Also, LeBron, top 5 in assists. Jordan, not even in the top 50. How is he a team player? No, not that much rebounds as much as LeBron. Not as much as assists as LeBron. LeBron's creating the new stars right now. You see every player that gets interviewed says LeBron is their star.
Think about who Michael Jordan had to go through every year to win a championship. He had to go through Isaiah Thomas, Sean Kemp. He beat Magic in the finals and for his first championship. Charles Barkley. I mean, the dude had to go through some monsters that LeBron just straight up didn't have to go through.
I think LeBron went against one of the greatest teams of all time, the 2017 Warriors.
Yes.
He went through the greatest Spurs team ever, the greatest the 4-year run of the Warriors.
Yeah, fair.
When he was down 3-1.
I hear your side of the story, but I respectfully disagree.
That's fine.
Thank you. Appreciate your time, sir.
Appreciate your time.
Thanks, Aiden. What a heated debate. I'm going to have to stick with my pick, Larry Bird Jackson. What do you think?
I think the title goes to the 7-foot power forward from Germany, Dirk Nowitzki.
All right. Well, anyways, that's all we have for today. Make sure to tune in next week for part 1 of our winter sports recap. I'm Domenic Buccirosso.
And I'm Jackson Stahl. Be sure to follow us at Celine Video for show updates and behind-the-scene content. Have
a great day, Hornets.